You saw we see for where the market on here about that man na dwen say. O hina na dwen ya na dwen boom. So yen sem bebre na ekoso. Former East Ambassador Joyce Mensah. So when the market in the team or Hamburg and the quaquatrian come also in like 4 minutes, you know, you be drew honum what they are saying. Then in action commodity. Your life are copying see a bishia no in the gym come out so just we share video no tomorrow when I'm tag amount for Hamburg for 1% more things some near coin you know. One tag amount for I'm inviting amount for Ghana for needing come on and clear. And some for black cancer for girl and then I already say obi be must watch near coin as well. So just mon share video no now mo invite it say they make as well. It's like 4 minutes time be share Joyce Mensah na ene na there e di nkomo ya hwe na yeko what you say live from Hamburg. Oh they make sure no straight up the church obi onya time bia e hwe me bia ene dey ene Sunday as we are not sure that mo bia sa but whether you okay
turn left onto Vankerswijk
whether you okay 4 minutes you do no na say ene Joyce Mensah di nkomo ntino wow question bia no so no obetimi a comment no busa ne obese busa no ye be kan ba mpa cho ma obia mbusa like question bia enso ani ana be bisa na obusa question ayo okay enso be ma wansa na say be busa no ma wansa it don't go anywhere I got 3 minutes na yo ho no na ene Joyce Mensah and the thing come e chechi obi bia biba come on. Mintumra Hana. Mintumra Hamburg and another day. One thing about Abuchase, put no baby eyes, the same, Ubutum the Chre. They say, Bia, Gan of Bimu Persebi on what I cry, and I say, Kumasi, and I say, Osha baby, a hard year, Maza. Baby, I will be a Minya Jumaye. What do you say? Say baby,
turn left onto Vankerswijk, then turn right onto Borstelenbergen.
I could be a cut off phone do more. Networking by Would do crew man and networking back. No, I saw about doom or bad doom on a networking as at Abba. No, but catch that. I caught a top phone say Bema. Phone on me call a year. You crew my networking month me the phone about us. No, the Quasiam sit down with doom have one for the battery. What do you say? So I had the piano. It's like network, baby. It doesn't matter where you are. So now me abo ma on krata bibia okay dia bibia otibiano. It's okay. So you decide where you want to go. So just like say that we can in a minute you better do Joyce Mensah address.
Turn left onto Stavenhagenstrasse, then turn left.
Ya kohone na kwatwetwe nkomo. Ya kohone na kwatwetwe nkomo. What do you say? Okay, see how you do. What do you say? I do what?
Turn left.
So, back here. Number 2.
How we never go on? Heading.
No.
Scooter, you know.
The destination is on your right.
You know what I'm asking?
12.
I saw you parking on different destination. Now car park here, not the battery machine. Car park here, not the battery machine.
We are. I never know that I actually say, "Oh, for see baby, I drew on way no. No business far to us, you know. Don't have a children now.
You know, my baby who be her.
Anyway, I was maybe I'll come baby how far. But I up.
Yeah, up, tear up.
We up now a login now. So probably charger. Now you better search it. Oh. Jana wana mi de kind of rob. Means
So we are here. No, my say. Sir, also, okay, you drew her. So, which place is this? She's our friend, and I saw you be in the second floor. Which one? I saw a friend. When the building is so big.
So number 12 there,
Number 12. It's okay, I saw number 12. Okay, so
what's up, guys? Let's go fast, relax. So, Joyce Mensah, I don't say, you're calling on Nancy. Said I can't not leave come on. So, I'm calling and not leave you go to see.
it's the second floor. Yeah, the first floor. You have to go another one. It's second floor. I need to take a view of.
Okay.
Hi. Oh, you look so beautiful.
I'm afraid I've done the same.
Okala crefe keke. Thank you. Oh.
So this is what I did, but small place for now. I hope you all manage it.
Very nice.
And the foyer baby do. Oh my God.
And you will Facebook popular.com.
No. Oh, yeah, I'm very
Oh, baby girl.
Very nice.
Oh my God. Yeah, I'm going to say.
So,
The baby is so cool.
I was wondering, how are you driving and doing the live at the same time? So it'll be Corona, because of the live video.
Busia for more share video no na ebe di nkomo bebre so I say nice lady o am for can send bebre afa no ho anything ya hye de nyamre the free Frankfurt ton aba bedru ase e be se ehwe na ye ko na etuam what ya se e ba cho lo no kakra mame oi
Okay.
So I mean with me at no baby out now.
Okay. You are going to sit with me, right? And I can have to anywhere now. It's a bed okay.
Okay.
So that she can.
Yeah.
You can make use of it. But I don't know the quality whether.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Maybe something you can sell it. Is it okay?
Ah, very nice. Yeah, I'm over with my intro kakra. Che nipa ene na kasa ni ade e bia na. Ma ho dwen say you fake it so.
Yeah. We did Joyce Mensah. Mad King is here to meet the Mad Queen.
Exactly. So pepe.
So you are watching Joyce Mensah and Mad King is here at home. Corona, so we are taking precautions. So don't worry. You want to say Ghana need Corona way. You can say Hamburg.
So Joyce, really, you may interview. You be doing come. You be doing come. I can't hold you. Yeah. What's a cute baby daddy? Yeah. Oh wow. I'm out for say. What do you papa? Is it true?
So we are Mad King.
No.
It's me a Mad Queen.
But people don't know say sometimes videos na they go ha what me get discuss there. Who play movie be na me say. I'm off when you say. And obi o ha won share in person.
Yeah.
Obetimi aka no pe bia for example, obi me no to be honest with you, this kind of say oba bi ni be ma bi no this videos me and me. So when I saw yes, I video about you because me show videos, and then I said no, what did I say? So na dey buy ya buy boko.
Okay, so the over 2 minutes I had a meeting. He found a share me next more girl. And so the Sunday air cover now, we found a share. And so next week I said in Kofa come and me affected. I've been affected in a way. Said that me very emotional. And so I do everything with emotion. Same when you move you. And I said me sad and so I'm sad. I don't pretend to come and dance when I'm not in the mood to dance. I'm that open. And we'll be all open there we are still not doing it. So I am just very open and frank and sincere. And so I'm not so my main fan. Alright. Oh, soon I be high. Alright. Ella. Bella. Sweet Bella.
My cute baby daddy. You know that.
My baby daddy is cute because I'm also cute, so we are both cute.
Now sometimes, and then you post me on the crana.
No. Nyama me posting the brain, especially semi-true story. Once Obi a story writer, that mean a story writer. Because me movie now, me produce about 7 years ago. Nyama me true story. Me one Ghana, I was working on a series. Nyama me true. Com center, but I didn't release it before I came. It's gonna be a story writer. I don't know who be With me study identity, then I create something out of it. Normally, I ain't very quiet, you know. We are always busy in the brain. It's almost be all quiet. Be either so artistic. We are very quiet.
Okay.
Either the person is an artist or draw dradi and also be or a creative person or throwing you. Oh, come musician be or yet they do stage or sign they do with theater. Any musician you meet, they are very, very quiet in real life because the brain is always working. It's, you know, so anybody brave and chance the money is so crowded in the brain, but the brain is always creating something. So every creative person is quiet in real life.
So we say is any old trivia and meaning say who post to say like what's on you in a
oh, they in that aspect. No.
Say no
the crescent menu. But sir, would you can't say any end
it's okay, we're not going to mention the names, but they said the shadow said, then you could be like you were trying to share some jokes and have this amount for fun.
Oh, it's me who I can't say a joke. Copy TV, Copiadoma. You know, it's very close to me. Someone in Yemini, I'm not found any now in Yemini, I'm on social media. And you know, not like Obia, so Joyce when he attended country, so he was calling to check on me. And I'm going so when you but I'm keeping the secret, I'm not see you. It's a video, I'm not afraid. Maybe not drop here. So when we need drop here, happen and here, then my friend can share and say quickly on a video. Say Joyce, I will. Now me show a video need to now Mr. Making can't comment now at MGD. No girl will be bound up with you and I'm reaching Yaba. So I was just laughing because me didn't have a joke into it. Sometimes when I'm serious right now, I'm not going to send me a serious.
Until you confirm what I was hanging.
But yes, baby daddy need baby
daddy.
Yeah, come on, Sam.
I just asked something like say, when you're supposed to be an endocrine watching, you know. But really,
but everything about me family is.
I'm not going to talk about your family.
But anyway, banny the endocrine. That what we say,
yeah.
It's a minimum endocrine.
Okay. So now he's ambassador.
Yeah.
So is it endocrine say he's an because you also clear. I'm not for Cassani Manafar say who is near and maybe sending me who to
yeah, with my club, comments of years, and I'm so clearing. My clear and I only breaking in 2016. Yeah, 2020. That's 6 years now. Still, I'm clearing. Okay. And now 4 years, so 6 years. Yeah, I'm still clearing the air. I'm sure we need is why. My age for no show 1%.
What about this one? I would say, why do you know? Like, sorry to say, what bother me. How was it like?
Once, and only in the past, it was about my past. Once, Obia situation be more. It me affecting. According to psychiatrists now, only me a bon common. Say, Obia situation be now to me depressed. And damn, so me have a condition be I like to read about it. It's not normally because internet musical read about depression. Okay, causes of depression. When you say even poverty can cause depression. It's a depression. It's obi ewo ahihie ma say the obi di kra oni bia. Na ni ma be school without the man is can go to school me ni bi. Na ni ya ba man na is obey so depressed. It's hard to pan about that man.
That's all we want to for
so na make can say o ma mo kika say ma boda no gra no say can Ghana for na kan aka me near there me so because Ghana dey obi enim Germany mra and so do Germany ha no ka say ma boda obi am kita kola ai da kola ma me and this all ka say ma boda because we say for them ni be anywhere dey kola be jam because with me sorry cry kwa kola no so that and so I was just depressed because of Myanmar and challenges be am fail no I became so depressed. It's in the hospital no. I'm in mood change it now doctor say or suspect say I even have bipolar. The that can William Bano will be no. And only a mood swing, another type of depression. So when it's here, you are overexcited and then you do things overboard. And I will read home swear. Now I is too sad. If you are always me is so sad for about the week. Michelle didn't mind those days. About a week, you cannot be a little brown shabonty. Soon and you know, almost suspect saying you were bipolar because those days in the same minute Jipro, so I me be no more. Me to me so sad the way I message I don't care. Not I did dance in my panties and all that. It's in a prescribed a drug mood stabilizer. I said mood, you know, once I almost say, a cause say, nah, but the cause say, nah, not just say I'm overexcited. A drop here, then I'm too sad. They have to stabilize my mood. Let me taking mood stabilizer for about for some time now. Too sharp. So, I'm going to follow my videos, fine, no sharp. Yeah, maybe I'm not tired. Me, I'm not here to apologize to anybody. It's my life, and we have to make me to be it's stages in my life. I'm a film. You see, I'm in child here, no. No, they blow over and not me face here. Like gradually, and I'm getting over it. It's in a time you can ask for. Then who say me also have problem no. I was saying that the way I did the American, I'll be I did the real move and shakola. The picture I got with that boy no. It's homogeneous. Tell me go free now. I should go and take care of myself. Before I'm discharge him, you can now for a request to doctor and it's on your day. I'm only a brain scan. Because they want to know apart from depression, they don't have any mental problem. Because maybe I have a from a will be a job. It's I'm a test no castle baby. Apart from depression, I don't have any problem. And yes, I'm calculating homogeneous for me. It's Ghana for I'm saying it on the marketing show for the last time. We be some question I mean,
okay. Say you who say Joyce, are you okay? Sa and some because what bottom one and tisa. It's here no okay. So maybe sa some back. Sa pictures and videos are we are now show pants now. Thank you free internet and carpet.
So a free internet in this one can be paid. But in free so I don't regret it.
Okay.
So because you have someone if you live your life with full of regret, you yourself know. Obebu ha bom fia. Won't me any am brave. But the interim it is up to me say I work on myself to be better than what I was yesterday. Into the same performance and who same kakra ba na me video that dey am do 3 years ago na o ma san ko twa ma say no tie no obi our past. Obi our past na nyame child dey say the na me here no it wasn't like I was a murderer. Sorry. So far as I didn't take anybody's life no. I've son and son. Yeah, I think they can go on sharing because everybody has a past.
So Joyce, why Germany? Why Hamburg?
I love Hamburg. Hey. But it's so quite but I just love Hamburg. I don't know. Ubi Samia. Okay, 4 years ago, me I can go to America. Because now me come back Germany. I sang coffee. Language, you know what's my problem. And I feel I'm Mister.
You said what take a cow? I can say yes. I can know the foul.
Ich verstehe nicht. Me, I said about America. Me, says America. How cry you? I want you cry. To me, the meet America. And I'm it's now 2 months. I mean, if you go do your Miss Atla in my the way I'm going 2 months in a meeting, me and my family back and Sakoga. And I'm call a UK, so I know them for a program some years back. I'm in sure environment, you know. Okay, I'm Amsterdam, so my coho. It's in Onyame compare me party effect. So me, I chose to be in Hamburg because Hamburg is a nice city. A nice city.
It's very nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice. I'm about Maniaji. I'm thinking it's
Hamburg.
So, we shall for first of all, your bar, and yes, you said, Joyce Mensah, or normal, said news writers, video bloggers, a month for a comedy woman, you know, they get captioner on the car sample to our funny pavilion, or Casa or sick will be on the past, and see, I didn't know ye in a trim, what I say. I know what's a raisin, a bar, sir. As I said, we are okay. As you can see on any banner, I say, will be a 7 rubber dam. I will cheer honey on a higher Ghana, a higher Germany, and now they do the Babbe money that. What I said, it will be beside you. More and more bloggers are most so as more and more my son. I said, Mufana Mokotre said, Joyce, or you okay? Said they can bonnie a buyer. The banner for run one can be 2 million capa train. Son was a more train because a camera as a Ghana. It's always about negative things.
Yeah.
Say Nipan and Yanan be fast so many actually, but you be see our buyer like what's one in a baby bear can people will never write about it. What you say. So she said no dear was it some come about on the Yindi and the own person with it.
Because Papa be I think so a family friend to the band family, no friend Mr. Nicomodo. It's no as I said him one like a person is over assembly of you. It's was assembly of person is over of you, not just say me no beyond in Casa and tell me back to social media. Sisamian the panel in Casa. Even Posemina or no the band papa directive cramming in Casa, at least they will share for the Mundia. I have to give them that respect. At least they've been able to contact me, say, if there's someone good piano, like me, Jam, some coming in. Yes, so it's by the grace of Mr. Commodore, I don't want to talk about it.
Yes, and call Fred for Crank home from my social media.
David, I can't matter. I can bet me at not 20 years ago, we are in Canada. Maybe a very secretive. And I can't go for the meaning. Niama still a shisha to my moon. About, I'm talking about my past work with Ace Commission and it's everything. Like in American show, we say, me is so secretive and our confidentiality very important. It's in about how the second to should be and obey your community. Man, I can't make
now, with your shading, we also want a gun and pen for me to die.
Oh, we are mad. Okay. Me need the public brand that.
But it be more.
Mini family pen and have the affair.
I'm young pen for it.
Bakuya MP and a minister.
MP
Minister. Never.
And easy.
Sir.
I don't know when it's out in the power position now, like we job more about.
About bridge.
Why?
Oh, sir. Don't worry.
Nurse, what do you
Bajo, I said, comes man, pass a more.
I said, Nurse, or more.
What's that? What's that? Obia, okay, me, Obia, penny for.
Open penny for.
Aha.
I say open for more. I don't know,
Obia, but plans, so I'm kind of cramp on your song or Wawari.
That is so baby that one kind of cray.
Oh, one of your kind of question.
I don't know what kind of cray, not only for now and yes.
Okay, me feel say me African lady and African man, no. And yet, taboo say only more than one woman ever call out. The Yanni said, obviously, responsibility.
You say, well, worry, not so be new clears, I'll be okay.
Oh, it's the same. Who said the Memati, Sanka first now, first need dear. I can make me okay, but you see, I'm like me, I'm no more a girl. It's you know, I'm studying human nature. So, remember, young Nipa be always me a kind of say, and you say, the more can cry, the more now obey it, you know. To prevent heartache, you know, yes, allow them to be.
You see, what you two is already open penny for, and I was also for more.
They be me, and then me decision send me for more Zanka, and me band papa worry, still I would have been happy with him. You say, dear, for one
okay. Yes, Oban papa, dear, and they say, O class on person be come myself.
Yeah.
The mean push you okay. Now I message bell no Ghana for now. Because ya ba head you see over this afternoon.
I mean message you there be but I'll just make it short.
Your time, we came here for you.
For me.
So just take your time and
Okay. You see, we the kind of say, don't be a parrot in life, be an eagle. It's normally some of your plans there, I don't even put it out there. But then I do my check there and I hope on the check if it's in collaboration. In collaboration, the things I'm real to myself. No Ghana crown, sorry, be Lighthouse Chapel. Almost my delegation, be 3 women, every fee, and more friends, and Mumbai said, almost also much they do on me sooner like. BBS na me the man like obia so either say whether good or bad. Everything I do like goes everywhere. And the only person me fire to say me crying magic corner me going to evangelism. But first time me then I just say I wasn't interested in anything religion. It's now mo kan na me the me suro bo me timu. Me do mo call. It's obia okuta ni special talents and yakupon the man. It's about me say I will channel this potentials into a positive use. There's a moment like the Padudwana, me bibia, whether good or bad, like a do a trade there. And then why don't I affect lives positively?
it's over here, sorry, Anna.
Oh, now couple of frame idea, but it's on framing.
So, we can't cast our plans. So, minutes what plan say that should be no but here, sorry, to over here, sorry, Anna.
I mean, that's some phone number to say, me telephone number. So you have a telephone number, no Frebia. Why not? So they offer from microphone.
It will be good, just like you're saying. So, what can't say, I say, I'm on 40 so much. I say, like, what can you mean? Someone on 40 so much. But one thing about we Ghanaians, Ghana, Bonnie waiting to know. It's about negative things.
Yeah.
What is it? That, if I say the day, I'm going to say, oh, wrong, man, carpenter, what this and the other. So, can you make young and I want to be a few? And I saw over to a kind of saying,
you're right.
No, be a few. I'll go Facebook, we must move, which was any performance. Yeah, it's Sanke is okay, or baby that's on away, you see. Sanity, so nobody knows.
It's yeah, maybe say if I switch to only positive things now, the way I go follow me, no, it will not be like that, but it will take time, I want to build a positive image for myself. And and because me, I've gone through especially Germany, I also didn't go for the brain, but Nyama also me I cooperate. That's the right way. So you can afford you buy, you have to cooperate. You see now you see the letter with or her who appointment, It's say we will be a here I don't care, I do about some as well so about uncle. That means that you are not showing any interest, what's the one my mama can survive a bedding about the former back on. Until I can share my story in that aspect and also try to motivate other women. So I have a lot to do, but then me find to try it's time now starting.
I'm going to comment now. I'm commenting.
I have a question.
Yeah, we have a question.
As a Joyce, people believe say your life is built on lies.
Yeah, that's what a lot of people say. So
is it true?
Get wake up because I cry yesterday. You engineer the but me can't carry and say when you create a mess in your life, nobody will come and clear it for you. Yeah, you have to clean your own mess. If some years back, about 10 years ago, people saw me to be a liar, what do I need to do? Everybody has lied before. But being more because I will chance rather. Okay, but to say Joyce is the only liar in the world. Fine. What do I need to do? The now may young say maybe I may be in throne. Then I have to change from that now me here, the also me here. It's the same me be and time me before she issue you ban here. I always want to like show kind of evidence that this. Who by one home ban? Yeah. Obi so to baby trust my like me try to it's as time goes on, me and me will speak for me. So I will not be sitting here be defending myself saying I have lied before. That one I accept it. But then the years ahead of me, am I going to still be building my life on lies? No way. Something happened before that.
Maturity not bum.
Maturity, I remember can't be say my sister because now I said yeah, the person because they be too money ya would say no, I unapologetic. Even though I have apologized so many ways about these HIV issues, and the crown on me can say it's a lie. You understand? Because the it was for a good cause. Or more, benefit, they call me personally and tell me that because of you, I have been saved. They don't see me as a liar. But to be of me, okay, what the story when I did share someone who is a liar, they don't even want to see the positive aspect of whichever lie I said to save somebody. And to see if you see me as a liar, keep on seeing me as that. But then I am working on my life to change from the negativities to positivity. And say, well, now, shame me now, pointing fingers. And what are you doing about your own life with the negatives in your life? Will be anymore. And not that dream, who not share my young with you. Miss me, yeah, me, so I think that's a perfect answer.
Yeah, that's true.
If your question be answered, I'm a happy answer. Now, can I say, maybe I would now to me by life, we'll see when you can move the other now, body. Then, what was the civil behind?
That was the year 2018. Now, and this is for the women. Yes. No women, and I'm here to the book. But no cannot be real. There is no way. Many will have their affair now, especially sending pioneer politician. But we are sorry to work with you. Yeah. The body back was to see a department of
one video where I am a pair was him. There was video be an hour. A video, obey didn't have say. Would they did start with? Yeah, that was a day in your corner. Oh, my, from I was a member, did it end with it? Yes, that's it. Like, you will say, a dinner, or you started a D boom. A D bell, I started with this.
I don't go watch a video, and I'm there is the bloggers I already. I'm going to go blast you.
One more, some old candy. There's a sample for us, so no, madam, we NDC for.
Yes, only I did.
We dress a Canada, Canada, Japan. I know what is a sad. Neck can I say, yeah.
The phone
it's here. I can't say. Maybe I had it. Volumba, Metiwa, as is a woman. If I cross on the volume, maybe take our hand, baby. Did you say, be in the house of pet and I'm Cassie Panore? What I say? Tom Cassin and Cram should have a show. So, now me cry me beside them cry.
Also, Canada, Japan.
Also, we commented, say, Canada now. Say, no, we said, something for a walk on only NDC. Now we NDC, no.
Not me.
Now you NDC, but I said,
be a fool and people.
But someone to about.
Oh, some, Mrs. Sister, a better one you are.
No, my car,
yeah, sure.
Okay, Uncle say Joyce voice no form. Say Obia Trauma say about a year ago, you posted a white man. Say on a white man. What happened to that white man?
Okay. Once I make a it was a joke. As a guy, no white man. It's my Iranian friend.
So.
Well, Madame Fukeke, send me a video. I don't see me in a program, I'm at Hamburg exposition. But I'm here a partner like Obama in the place I run. Yeah. And you know, now I feel dear, no, I agree so on him, but community that about 3 years ago. Yes, so I was doing those things with him. And meanwhile, now I wait for Father and the call out.
That was a cover up for you. That was a cover up for you. Okay.
I was for a summer can somewhat today. Say, be video be or yeah, crediting ama Joyce Mensah and the chap and say, I also when you Brunino, yeah, I don't know. A summer cousin see and say, now episode you show be a 6 position something.
Hamburg exposition.
Yeah. And I will use this white guy. I say on any play. It's nice to say it's a movie. This
as a camouflage.
It is a more come out some moon team.
And what was your gun? You gun on a German brony or if we run.
Okay. Obisi min bisa say, Uklemi say, you are pregnant again. Has it been confirmed? Because what there was a style. So has it been confirmed? So when you man a one, I walk as a one.
Okay, so you send you two. You say to the Gary. And I follow a crime in human first one crime in the two seminary could be able to my attention. It's in the new crime, a country will be here. When you was a phone, very dim at 10 franc, I mean, then on penno, or no musician. But no, I don't you understand. It's a bit too long will be on seminary.
Obviously, we are a might be bring to me, like saying, also we are positive for HIV,
Oh, when is you, if it's an easy task,
Did they pay you to do that?
Not to also people have I don't know how to put it. On my story, they say okay, try and trust the baby or be musica. That is Uncle for Munshia me, before Munshia me programs here. But the idea was to give a human face to HIV. So before Johnny Jan idea now is office be now a program say you can test your mom.
Yeah.
You can test your mom, you know. So I can send them Monday. And you and mom education.
Yeah.
And they have appointments when they say the bad test. Will you please when you be a bedroom?
Yeah. Obviously, yeah.
It's like this kind of fear now for Enyan. Better say Ubemun status. It's now you wanted to give a human face. That's the main focus, and this kind of crime now. Now do not send a bit to my work idea. It's not about the money.
Yeah.
It's not about even though I got a lot of exposure and all that, I got something in return. But it wasn't really.
Do you in any way feel, say, you want to clarify yourself to Ghanaians?
I used to do that a lot on social media. I mean, if you said the more I talk, the more people believe me. At the time, I'm going to say, they also suffer who they kakasa 100 years. And now I'm suffer. I'm not in a position to do that anymore.
Obviously, say you cannot come to Ghana.
Because of who? I drove NDC. So I'm matching you to it.
And you even go Ghana again.
Why not get your better watch?
I ain't before. It's in a way, no.
I say so, young people.
But that doesn't mean someone should be.
Oh, so yeah, you can't be my mom really fear.
I hope so. That is one fear. The way we must have Ghana, I'm matching you to. It's something I'm working on. So many people for the Cassandra clarify and maybe are true. Yeah.
Do you think the former the opposition party, the NDC, almost disappointing you in any way?
Big time.
Why do you think so?
Because maybe will be only me as a child. There's 7 minutes away. Better.
Isn't there natural?
When you meet will see just example. If I say let me use something negative. The Joyce. Mango ne si we ni ru ase o peso bi abeti mango. Na Joyce with the mango is ado yeko. Nti no yen kona bo am na yen yen koti mienu. Na e koti mienu na obefa ba ko na fa ba ko. Fine, na me risk me life. Na wo jira ho earth tese wo bere so. We be chinya. Na me risk akwa kosi mango na ba. Me de ba ya wa fa mienu ni na we dwane. Nti na aka no me den aka bo se me ye. It's when you have a year with somebody, I will say, "Oh, keep it to your promise."
Yeah.
So this is what we are doing. Now, soon metiko, go to gym. Now, we have from where they say, "Oh, yenyano, we am a sky a person in your free global fund." Yenya into no yenjan and uncle sa. David.
Did they promise you anything?
Because of sir and no paperwork, When I'm now, they say I'm making the mini evidence. I don't want to talk. Because everything was on paper, the old papers, they didn't fulfill it. I want to fulfill it, and you don't expect me to go on like that.
And
somebody's asking, say, video now posting for the first one, talking about baby daddy Amba, Are you happy with this?
Oh, me are happy because me respond from his family, and me imagine say me go be. So what's my guys my sister? I mean, me promise to be as my sister, but me how many years ni idea. Obi disappointing na, be disappointing na. We didn't attend Ukraine, we on Pemna, who say, we didn't attend so far as I only have a bit to do. So I sent back home, yes, we're good in the mass. So the video it was for a good purpose. So I'm so happy. I don't know.
Question you are, may I not say your mamma? Was this a see a baby daddy in the jail? Now, one a besha acrano. Baby, I will be a Michelle, wasn't a high Germany, a Hano crano. So we will be. That's where a crew crana, a band of Maniska, and your friend Bano. Yeah, the Abuchini, The papa here, but I'm sure they hear me visa.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I really want as say Obisa about whole family new baby. Me, I'm more interested in this thing with this parties and so on. In any way, did you benefit from all these problems now, like a create about winano? Did you
HIV?
with the HIV stuff no? Say all the problem to over to me I can say oh benefit in any way now.
Oh yes. Oh yeah. Miss Mianka say if they are brochure coming, but I think for people are in Ghana, they have good jobs. They can even travel and go back to Ghana. But don't have visa. Me the passport choice and I'll show my passport. Even the visas I still have my passport. Now maybe go for bad brochure when you can't come to me baby. Maybe come back there. Or na me stay. Oh baby. It's the opportunities are maybe not free our program no. They were very huge.
So did they pay you? Omutia to do what you did?
It may be a phone my it's your car now.
Yeah,
for the time.
into unsa kan sika no. When san case can physical so unsa kan. Send you into ka.
And say almost so much for 5 years. Now almost after 5 years you can renew the contract.
Yeah.
Into 5 years contract now is signing and 1 year paper now almost terminating my contract. So they paid me only for 1 year. Meanwhile not my year. Advert. And I billboards now on my year would be picture. The billboards stayed for even more than 5 years. They were still using my image and they did not pay me.
Why didn't you take it to legal terms? One for lawyer.
If a lawyer, if not lawyer, I said I've been only
I understand.
for me or TV so granting me interview and I'm afraid catch up on lawyer bill. Don't move anymore. Secret TV station. Because after the woman said he was trying to defend the AIDS Commission. You're supposed to defend your client, not the other party.
what's that Ghana assembly?
It's about who you know and it's about who is in power. And the AIDS Commission were more powerful than me in terms of money and every other thing. So now I'm inside a case I made this.
We will say, oh, you have still case apart from Barry and about come so much.
You see, the family issues they're out.
Good. Good.
Do you wish to ever go to Ghana?
Hey, why not Ghana? Everybody loves Ghana. Obi wa Ghana in Libya. It's a me come in your cranka. Now me to come and stay in Libya. Apparently, so Mohammed Nabro chain was never part of my plan.
So now, do you feel in any way say your life is threatened?
In Ghana?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is still threatened in Ghana.
It's still threatened in Ghana because you feel it's a case nearby. No?
Yes.
The case was with NDC people. Why is the MPP for Bemo?
That is for Amuya the foolish case. They didn't go on with the case again.
So NDC for case name.
Yes.
So no nanka a certain president nearby no. You were waiting for it to say call the case up again. Besi amount. But it never happened.
No, it never happened.
It never happened. So I don't know why the MPP came in and now the MPP is a threat to you.
Because of the money involved in the case.
So now there was a binding Etiawaka. So now NDC 4 corner is the MPP 4 Etiawaka.
I didn't say it's kind of was a minion. One said a bang mono. Say NDC 4 a year Juma. A free officer. Be a Mujaho. This is a Bible for bar. They see everything that has happened. And this is kind of NDC 4 also put you on to me. I said, come for photo. It's evident. Once I bring this or evidence, or not so with a paper, which is $3 million. It could be possible, say, in Crophobia as in Sanya, but some scam. Maybe it's a go of Fidelity Bank. Say, of course, there are so many quarter. Maybe I'll be fire me G's at $3 million and they will clarify it. Maybe I'm not good you bottom.
I could you bottom. You believe so?
Oh, of course.
Yeah, I also believe it will be inside because Ghana na your but we don't have evidence.
Yeah.
So you to mean kase ebia na bottom and I say ebia any they didn't do you think that they dealt with you fairly?
They didn't deal with me fairly at all. Because that position there, a deadly position. Very deadly. You understand? But I'm the position in my I was only 23 years. It's in my dream on loss. I said, I didn't because you cry there. And I'm even thinking about the people we're gonna be calling to say the one Colano. I say sorry to say, but I'm when you're HIV. You cannot like see them even in a minute.
Yeah.
They didn't move before 3 months, and they were almost so far before they died. Even after now, it's still happening.
So
it's me. You might know who dog. I was too young. I said, "Start brain and do 33 years." And I start position with the one I can manage.
yeah.
No, I can manage because now I know better.
Into no feel say senkomutu ya waka, you were never going to come out to say Adiano was a wrong deal.
I don't know. I don't know what would have happened though.
Yeah,
It didn't
because
go that way, but I don't know what my decision would have been. And I make us say, decision I'm taking, I was too young. I
were
don't know
too
what
young.
would have still happened.
so that means say sikane baya nanka there was not going to be like na mini ace abia. So now na sikana amba no. You felt say you were cheated, so you have to voice out
Yes.
for help.
You are right.
And did Ghanaians deal with you fairly? Ghanaians as a whole, not
They
as a
didn't.
party, no.
They didn't deal with me fairly. But once in all this while, no, now maybe people were against me. Say, oh, this girl, she's a liar and that. But me recent issue about the way I'm go for come on, me that's what be crowded for phone. I one video to even say anything positive about me.
You know, when I saw the video, I watched your video, Manshenwi. We've been a target me, but Manshenwi, I wasn't a fan of. But later, no, na me who lady BDS so or a sister to this person. It's me, you know, I felt offended. In a mommy call back, I could share what dear. So I realized that you never said anything bad in that video. And now me send him out on her. He never even watched it because Ophelia say a man come on your non sound. But later no, I realized I have to say what 2 videos. No, you didn't say anything bad. Why is the lady attacking you? Like we have to do baby. I feel say some Ghanaians do not treat people fairly. They use their past to judge them. They think say you said things that were not true. That was what they feel. So no, what you are saying now is not what is happening. What you are saying now is not what is happening. So no, they don't want to believe it.
My cute baby daddy.
Me di pass na popo ni say bibi say to me to no man kwara ni say ni papa say no. Yes, I'm going to kwara say even though there was legal evidence in the baba then so that kwara so send the can we kwara no di masemba.
Ejuma na oyema Ghana as a whole no. Me ka say one year ma AIDS commission for oyema Ghana and people are now who feel say you wanted to help no. Did you think of the risk? Did you think of later effects na ebeba ebia sawo ma ukunu any those kind of things no? Did you ever think of it?
I didn't think about that. Me think say okay nyama makosu I want to go workshop a lot. We learned everything. Into nyama make sure na me impacting into other people. Now me think say I'm better yes sir. I didn't know that you come and use it against me. Anything called Adrena and everyone. I didn't think about the you kind of saying the aftermath of the program. I didn't really think about that.
Obisa Mimisa said, did you have a boyfriend during the time Nana is ambassador?
Yeah, I got married.
You got married in the process.
What happened?
No, we are divorced.
They were divorced. I saw Delay's interview with you. Michelle years back. I quite remember said Delay Bisa say you married. Your husband testified saying I will fail no. Did you ever take drugs concerning medicine? Yeah, I have watched so much videos of you.
Well, let me also remind you of one video to answer that question. Issues nearby, and I'm a co-ambassador. Only said I am ambassador. There was this man, Pastor Reverend Azuma, Gifty, and Azuma's wife. Yeah. Because I call program do Kumasi, Yagola Hotel, and I'm move from Mundru. And I'm still be crying, need do a how, and I back Eddie dear man, Mr. Benjamin, and I'm no more. I took the pill. If you should be I'm saying, we were sharing our medicine with them. I'm saying, are you people bad? And we'll be like, I wanted to see how it feels like. And to look at besides that question, I've taken a pill before. And I me ex-husband, me I don't know, when you broken heart. It's not more for baby. Actually, come to say Angela and you and the customer voice idea. Angela was the ex-commission boss. Now I is very hot. She was really on a hot seat.
Oh, okay. So one fair drone be there. I think, sir, you have, in my own opinion, we feel, sir, you have been through a lot.
A lot. From
this AIDS assembly, the stigmatization, you know, with war, warrior, and all this right now. So decided, say, Uber relocate, Abba baby, I feel say at least was soon joke. You came here and so in same council. That means that we are not going to leave you in the past. The in Jaw na won kosa. Yeah, the bet Asemba Sisia, ye besen akofa brel. That is how I think say we Ghanaians no yet here. Asemba say we don't throw things away.
They will dig your past right
now.
Yeah,
if you say yeah, and I think say at times say do baby you feel say you want to explain yourself. You feel say we break it down. But then I've watched your videos. At times, I feel for you. Me one me feel say they are not real. Like it's like people do not understand you. What you are going through, and it's animal because normally, you know, even when I'm stress, it will take time and so on. So, what the end day, I think that you've been through a lot, and it's hard time. Ghanaians, you be accept who you are.
Yeah.
To say the kind of first one.
The calm and the very discreet person that I'm a very discreet person.
But this video never buy and rare. If you watch videos now, it's a Ghana for mum per WhatsApp. I don't know why. Because Uti and some more kind of video no more. I said you will be new like
only me personally.
The way they make a hammer crowd say a sign a ma and they said videos and I'm gonna a hammer dream. You could see say we will be I don't know a mum per WhatsApp.
A bit per master and young money now into can't say it's your casa on Hamburg. So Casano can say a bimo. And have you got me one of 4 baby?
Yeah, a mum per WhatsApp. See a cassette. Ghana for what to akufo-addo and Ghana for you tomorrow.
Yes,
but majority it's like majority.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't mean say so being proasem was I'm here. If I don't like you, I won't come here.
Don't come, I won't be as my yeah.
So Abusia for all question there, and this are there, the movie see what you say, all question there.
But people admire your beauty, pa. In the comments, said Ubia can say you are so beautiful. You are so beautiful.
Thank you. If you have a beautiful heart, it shows. It shows outside.
Obi so what 10 crown?
Thank you for saying that.
You look so beautiful. When I saw you in person, you are even more beautiful than even with videos now. Where you're neck crown, you are very beautiful.
Moi, I say volume, my patch of Penambury. Turn up phone and now they are turning because
I'm going to China.
Okay. Another check your phone, you know. Okay. So, and I think, sir, you will see, I say. What's the papa now?
I think so. You're coming from a very far place.
Yeah.
All the way from Frankfurt, eh?
Yeah, so. So when you be a person with chair
okay, Michia, make woman now, assembly by about to different but me now, Bufu and Odi Meninko. She's such a nice lady. Michelle for one, for one TV. And we don't be free, so be only maybe I miss me boarding, be a Michelle, and I'm Michia. It's a Commodore and me Commodore. The assembly buyer, see a original one or cast and nama. And we'll be out there with the other with the asking why it you be
okay. So we at the Martin or him about them or Hannah say you should have banned Joyce Mensah begin come and someone is seen in your mouth for a fan of fitted in say sorry to see where your body is or there's already negative things in Quantum fan or internet one what I say. You say I feel our bar overshare. This video from beginning, what's and I hope say this video will be no impact to a man for so now master summer drink, especially the video bloggers are more Ghana a community more no caption a man for critics of but a more bit now a man for critics of her. I am more positive on sugar because nearly penny none of or more reading negative things as I say and then as some free and all kind of more fun up on chair and no more. I think that a positive from here, so nobody will write about it. No. This is how Ghana. Yeah. By a buy in a Gaja, you can say up and now wrong. Oh, a bum. And then when your country is here. So the original catcher said, the Oka said, my trees and about me. So my name is what I say. And they say, yeah, me free Akona, me do a beer mona, me can't say I'm quasi videos. Because the videos be able to now only person with baby in Fasubia and the Amazon. It's a church will be. We are still in Hamburg. We are coming from a higher Germany. What I say. So God bless you.
Guys said I was a passer. People really love it. We are reading the comments. You see the number of people they are behind you.
I know things will change. It will take time, but
thank you.